Hey guys, so what I have for you guys today, as you can see, is the Charlotte Tilbury Valentine's Day mystery bag. The bag is in here. I have not opened the bag yet. I'm gonna open it with you guys. So essentially, this little mystery bundle is a super amazing value. You get 7 products. I believe it's 6 full size and 1 travel size. 7 products, 7 mystery products that you have no idea what they are. This came out on January 30th and I hadn't filmed it for you guys, which I'm super sorry. But yes, we're doing it now because there's still time. Valentine's Day is still on Saturday, so you still have some time to get it. They have express shipping. So all right, so I'm gonna open the bag last. I'm gonna show you the products I got in my mystery little bundle. I have not opened anything, so I have no idea what I got. First of all, I did get their magic cream, which I love. I love, love, love. I'm so happy because it's one of my favorite moisturizers. And this is it. All right, the next thing I got is a lipstick. Mine came in the color Mark of a Kiss. Ooh, with the red packaging. I love it. Perfect for Valentine's. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'll swatch it for you guys. Oh my God, what a beautiful color. Item number 3 for me is the lip cheat in the color Kiss and Tell. I already have this, so I'm gonna keep this one so I can do a little giveaway for you guys. This is what it looks like. I'm not even gonna open it because I wanna keep it for you guys. Item number 4, I got a Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand High Blush in Pink Gasm, which I believe I also have this. So yeah, this is the one I have, if I'm not mistaken. If I do have it, I will also include this in a giveaway for you guys. Amazing, amazing product. Next thing in here is a perfume, Love Frequency. I think this is what's the travel size. Okay. Swish and Pop Blusher, Cheek to Chic. Love is the Drug is the name. I'm liking that name. Love is a Drug. I love the packaging. You guys know I love these things. I don't remember which one I had. I didn't have this one. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Look at this. Look at that. Tell me that is not freaking gorgeous. I love it. And last but not least, oh my God, this looks so pretty. I got a Pillow Talk Hypnotizing Pop Shot. And this is in the color Pillow Talk Diamonds, Diamond Dimension. These are like the base colors for your eyeshadows. They make them pop. But just the packaging of this thing is to die for. Look at this. Like, are you kidding me right now? Tell me that that's not me. Hold on. Oh my God. Look at how gorgeous that is. Y eso, que you guys can't even pick up like the shimmer for real, like on camera. Because what I see, this is gorgeous, but you guys are not seeing what I see. Like, this is incredible. This is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I know I'm going to be using that like crazy. That's probably, I think, my favorite item of the whole bundle. I love it. Last but not least, the bag. All right, guys. So I love this. You guys, if you know me, you know this is my month. Look how gorgeous. Look at this. Like, I have to show you it in the box. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And even like the little thing, the zipper is a heart. It does have the chain, like if you want to wear it like a longer purse. And the inside is pink. Like, hello. How much better can you get than that? It's very sturdy. It's not like you can't bend it or anything like that. So cute for a night out. And if you don't want to have like the logo, just wear it the other way and you're good. You know what I mean? It's so cute. I love it. So let me know what you guys thought about all of this. And that's it.